Kia ora! Welcome to the second lesson on commands. Today, we're going to look at commands using passive verbs. If you haven't already seen it, I recommend watching the video about how to form a passive verb. We can use a passive verb when there is an object included in the command. For example, kai means to eat. The passive form is kāinga. Hanawiti means sandwich. Kāinga te hanawiti. Eat the sandwich. Inu means to drink. The passive form is inumia. Wai means water. Inumia te wai. Drink the water. Negating these commands is the same as the last lesson. We need to put kaua e before the command. Kāinga te hanawiti. Eat the sandwich. Kaua e kāinga te hanawiti. Don't eat the sandwich. Inumia te wai. Drink the water. Kaua e inumia te wai. Don't drink the water. Let's practice, while also learning some new words. Huaki means to open. Kati means to close. Te kuaha means the door. Te matapihi means the window. How do you say, open the door? Huakina te kuaha. How do you say, close the window? Katia te matapihi. How do you say, don't close the door? Kaua e katia te kuaha. How do you say, don't open the window? Kaua e huakina te matapihi. Kōrero means to speak. Te reo Māori means the Māori language. How do you say, speak the Māori language? Kōrero tia te reo Māori. There you have it. Now you know another way to give a command. In the next lesson, we'll see 2 more. Ka kite!